this is Hans the Ramenator coming at you with another instant noodle recipe time, the show where I show you what you can do, or maybe what you should do, with those instant noodles you got there. Today I've got one that came in a Zen Pop box. This is a Maruchan variety from Japan, of course, and it's Thai red curry udon. My guess is it's going to be salty. I really don't know though. But basically, it's gonna be found out by yours truly very shortly, in about 5 minutes. So what do we do here? We got noodle block, powder base, bits that were in the bowl, and we got some oil that'll go on after. Got a flipper, just like that. Alright, and we need, and, God, when does he say it? You know what I'm talking. 5 minutes on the clock, let's go. We got a game show. So, somebody said, nah, dude, you don't get rid of the noodles you eat. There's no way. You're too big. It's like, well, I didn't used to as much, but whatever. But, here's one. I just took shots of this bowl of noodles. And got some nice eggs, had some grilled chicken. This is the zesty chicken souped up yesterday. And I was like ultra stoked to get it because I really wanted to try it. Well, I tried it. Edited the review, did all that stuff. And now I have this left. And what does happen to it, as with 99.98% noodles that you see me review, it goes in the sink. It's funny, I mean, I can understand. It's like, how could you do that? But don't companies get mad? It's like, why would they? I mean, think about the Food Network. Think about all those guys on there doing these shows, and they do a lot of episodes back to back, too. They don't have time. They want to get as many in the can so they can, like, go and do other junk. Like, possibly sit in the can. I don't know. But, yeah, these people, like Rachel Ray. No way is she eating all her food. No. Guy Fieri? No. I hate that guy. But, you know, no, these people don't eat all their food. And, yeah, it is a big waste. And I know that Food Network does do a lot of donations and stuff. Honestly, if there was somebody here and I made a bowl for when I did a review and they wanted to eat it, I would happily let them eat it. But I'm just not going to myself. So, it's gonna be alright. Gonna be okay. It's such a waste! It's like, okay, just to make everybody happy, I'm gonna eat every single bowl of instant noodles that I make. Oh my god. I mean, don't get me wrong, that sounds great. But, oh god. That would be like, I'm just thinking all the sodium and all this garnish that I add. It's like, I'm doing like, 1,800 calories a day, and on average I'm doing, because I have that Fitbit tracker thing, so it converts steps and distance into calories. So, and then it goes back into the MyFitnessPal thing. So, usually I'll do like up to 1,000 calories worth of exercise. And so, I end up at the end of the day, usually with I think a net of like 1,000, 1,200 calories that I've consumed, if you count all the other stuff, which is pretty cool. if I did do the the eat every bowl of instant noodles you review diet plan, oh man, I wouldn't be doing all that walking. That's for damn sure. I'd be like dripping sweat once I got out the door, not on the way back after I went up the big hill. You know, that kind of thing. So anyway, I don't know. I keep talking about this whole diet thing, and I'm sorry if it's boring you guys, but it's a big change for me, honestly. I used to eat a lot of, what I used to have, we'd have like mac and cheese with Polish sausage and lots of Papa Murphy's take and bake pizza. Like, we'd get the family size stuffed crust, and I'd eat like 5 slices of it for dinner. Now I'm like, what did I have the last 2 nights in a row? Oh yeah, I had light Progresso soup with a little bit of couscous. Yeah. Big changes, but I think they're sustainable, which is the main goal. You know, walking around, doing things different. So, anyways, enough of that. But it looks like our noodles are about done. So this is going to be interesting. Thai red curry Japanese udon. It sounds like a possible thing. It sounds like it could actually exist in real time. Decided to go with this. The thing that really brought me to it today was, look at the spoon. Look at how it looks like there's like that red stuff, but it's, I don't know, it looks really trippy. And I'm hoping the broth actually does look that way, because there's this, oh, that's not it. There it is, right? I hope so. Yeah. There's this very deep red colored stuff that goes in it. There you go. So, gosh, I think I'm just going to put it in on this side of things and then dump it all together. Wow, that stuff is red. It's red like sweet and sour. Okay. Okay, let's see if this, what I just did, will do the trick. Alright, come on, give me that trippy looking broth. Sometimes you gotta leave it a minute, and then it'll kind of, the oil will kind of come to the surface, and then it'll all kind of, oh, see, here's some, right? It's funny. Yeah, it all like wanted to go to one spot. Well, let's give this stuff a try. It doesn't look exactly as it did in the picture, but it looks good. Oh yeah. That I like. I'm guessing this is tofu. Yes. Here's some noodle. Okay. Now this one is really good, and it's really different. And that makes this, for me, a very hard bowl to say no to. Here's some Mungus Beanus Sproutses. some spring onion. I think that looks nice. I'm going to stick with that. Alright, well, hey, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. And yeah, this is it. This is the last episode for a little while of actual reviews. I've got a big bag in the closet of different things that I've reviewed before, but I've never done on Instant Noodle Recipe Time. And I'm thinking I might do a couple Instant Noodle Recipe Time extras or specials and stuff like that during the break. That'll be coming to you shortly. So, alright, be on the lookout. Have a good one. Bye. Bye.